The Supreme Court again declined to decisively weigh in on whether partisan gerrymandering is constitutional. This year, the High Court considered two cases around the issue. In North Carolina, the justices looked at the state's 2016 congressional map, which was drawn to politically benefit Republicans who were in power at the time. In Maryland, a case centered around the 6th congressional district and whether Democrats redrew the lines there to flip that seat. In the ruling, the Supreme Court said, partisan gerrymandering claims present political questions beyond the reach of federal courts. Chief Justice John Roberts clarified that the conclusion doesn't condone excessive partisan gerrymandering or dismiss complaints about districting. The decision not to weigh in leaves the responsibility to Congress or the states to pass laws restricting the practice. The last time a partisan gerrymandering case reached the High Court, the justices also avoided making a final ruling. Like last time, the decision is being sent back to a lower court with instructions to dismiss it.